Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to add PayPal to Vinted. First, open the Vinted app on your mobile device or visit the Vinted website on your computer. Once you are logged in, head over to your profile settings. This is usually found by tapping on your profile picture or a menu icon. From there, you will need to find the section dedicated to payments or payment methods to begin the process. Next, within the payment settings, look for an option to add a new payment method. You should see PayPal listed among the choices. Select PayPal, and Vinted will then securely redirect you to the official PayPal login page. This redirection ensures your account details are handled directly by PayPal, maintaining a high level of security for your financial information. Once on the PayPal login page, enter your PayPal credentials to log in. Carefully review the permissions Vinted is requesting to ensure you are comfortable with them. After reviewing, confirm the connection. This step authorizes Vinted to use PayPal for your transactions, making buying and selling much smoother. It's a quick process, usually taking less than 1 minute to complete. After confirming on PayPal, you will be automatically redirected back to the Vinted platform. You should now see PayPal listed as one of your active payment methods within your Vinted profile. From this point forward, you can easily select PayPal when making purchases or choose it as your preferred method for receiving earnings from your sales, offering a convenient and secure way to manage your transactions.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.